One of our most asked questions is, how often should I replace my Beauty Blender? Your Beauty Blender is going to last you a long time. Longer than a lot of other makeup sponges. How long exactly depends on two factors. First, how often do you use your Beauty Blender? If you're someone that wears makeup every single day, then you'll probably have to replace your blender more often than someone who uses makeup 1 to 2 times a week. The second, how do you take care of your blender? We have a whole video explaining exactly how to clean and care for your blender. For someone like me who wears makeup every single day and I'm super diligent about how often I clean it, I replace my blender about every 3 to 5 months. And taking care of your blender is essential to protecting your investment. However, your blender will tell you when it's time to get a new one. Here are the signs. So one of the first signs is tears and porous texture. When you start seeing nicks, tears, large pores, it's a sign your blender has got to go. Tears can cause uneven application, which is a big no-no when using the original Beauty Blender. Another telltale sign is when the color of your blender has faded. If you have our original pink blender and it's now kind of looking like a light pink blender, then it's definitely time for a new one. Our cleansers are gonna clean and get rid of most stains, but there comes a time when the stains are so deep that it's time to get a new blender. So that's everything you need to know about when it's time to replace your Beauty Blender. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.